Stupid Auntie, I swear to God. Bart? They thought it was gonna say. Is that Bart? Good evening, gamers. The time has come. Hello, gamers. How are ya? Hey. Give me 1 second. Let me see who else I can tell them, notify them on the quick so I am streaming if they want to join us for a beautiful art class. No art, only come break. All right then. Yeah, bro. No art. Come break only. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't know what to draw. In the meantime, yeah, I found a pen. It was over in the living room, and it was under a chair. It was stupid hidden.
It wasn't Teddy's fault.
It wasn't Teddy's fault. It was I don't know. I can finally draw even poopier now. Let me check my email because apparently we got some mail. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Oh, there goes Nat. Kawaii-chan said Nat. Hi. Oh, Connor said ew, Nat.
Whatever.
This is from the wonderful Grace. I finished your commission. Check this out, Kawaii. Skadoosh. Check that out. It's your commission.
Oh, my heart.
That is so cute. What do you think, Kawaii? Do you love it? That's actually really freaking cute. Freaking cute. This is beautiful. Thank you, Grace. That's so well done. Do you guys want to see Connor's and Jessica's? Alright, then give me 1 second. Now let me get... Because I don't want you guys to see my email because I have too many kinky stuff. Like Academia, GoFolk Screening, Club Huey. This is Connor's and Jessica's commission. Look at that!
That is so cute!
So Connor's butterscotch and Jessica's cinnamon. Look at that. That is so cute. It's so awesome. I love the art style. I know, me too. That's so cute.
Oh, girls, I love that.
That's all the art, right? If I remember. Oh, I already showed mine. You guys want to see mine again? Okay, I'm down. Whoa! Holy crap! This is our banner for our channel. Look at that!
Whoa!
Holy shit! Now this is cute. I know. I think it's so cute. All right, boom. As you can see, Grace who? Bro, now this.
This is epic.
Let me drink a little bit of Coke because I'm kind of thirsty. What should I draw for now? So everyone get your pens and the Peppies. I know, Pepsi. Because we're going to start drawing. Don't even got to tell me twice. Yes, sir. Good. Going try hard today. All right, let's go and try hard. Oh, crap. So what do you guys want to do? Do you guys want to draw famous cartoon characters? Huh?
Porg.
Apparently Andre wants us to draw Porg.
Yeah!
Apparently they both want us to draw Porg, so let's draw Porg. I named my pet Porg Quiznators. No, not porn. Porg from Star Wars. Porg, like the little creature that nobody likes. But I like it. Got excited. I mean, drawing porn can be fun. No, prefer porn to draw instead. How are you gonna draw porn? I mean, there's ways. No, drawing porn is inappropriate and not good for my Christian server. Alright, you guys got 20 minutes to draw a Porg. I feel kind of dumb now because we just showed Grace's drawing. It is so good, and then here I am that I cannot draw a circle. There, done. Not.
Beautiful!
Chuckie, I think my bird's pissed because she wants to join. Nah, no try hard. I'm disappointed by no porn. Everyone wants to draw porn. Why do you guys want to draw porn? You can draw a porn star. I mean, I can draw Johnny Sins or Mia Khalifa or Andre's a porn star today. What time is it, Coach? Oh God, it's already 7:32. I'm over here taking my time sketching. Oh, 5 minutes. Crap, 5 minutes?
Oh no!
Oh, I gotta speed run now. It just looks like he's screaming like. Did I tell you guys I can't draw? There you
What's
go.
up, Joy?
No, give me a couple minutes.
No.
A couple minutes.
I rush!
Let's see.
Rush!
Can't draw? Just assume. Cute.
haven't showered in 4 days. Today's Monday? Saturday? Sunday, Monday. Oh, 2 days! I haven't showered in 2 days. Babushka. I'm tired. Guys, I want ice cream. Choose drawing kind of looks like Psyduck, doesn't it, Andrew? Doesn't it kind of look like Psyduck? Nah, I just showered. Can't relate. Okay, let's go.
Oh my god, I'm looking at my drawing. It looks so bad. There, here's my magnificent drawing of an alien Porg.
It looks like Psyduck.
I can't wait to see everyone's because mine is like bad. Alright then. Sadly it's done. It's not even a Porg.
You just stop. It's enough.
Okay. Nice.
Is that yours, Andrew?
Now we're starting off with the banger. This is Andres. What do you guys think? Should we give it a 10 out of 10 or a 5 out of 4? Oh, it looks like an anime. Kawaii-chan's, it's totally yours, huh? Out of 100.
Yeah!
Basher said 0 out of 10. Terminator said 10 out of 100. Oh my goodness. Squidward. Is that yours? That's yours. Look at its eyes.
It's cute.
Is that Nat? Yeah, that's Nat's.
You can tell it's mine. Ah, it looks cool.
Yeah, I like it, but is it better than... Yeah, never mind. It's better than that.
Yes!
Why is it upside down?
They should rate it.
Why are they gonna make it sad, man? That makes me sad. Oh,
No, that-
looks possessed. That's cute. I like this one. I give this a good 8 out of 10. I like it.
10 out of 10.
Huh? This is Gio's? Oh, dude, look at mine. You can't even tell it's a Porg. Jesus Christ.
Oh my, what the? That's not a Porg!
Like father, like son.
What is that? Is that titties?
That's Porgy.
Did you see the titties? Look at them nipples.
Nice. I like this one. 10 out of 10. That's a Demogorgon. It does look like a Demogorgon. But good job, guys. I like you. Damn, I thought. Yeah, I was about to say that. Where's Liz? Making me insecure. Oh, she just sent it. She's disqualified. No, don't be mean. Too late. Haha. Nah, I think she's good. I'll let it slide. Ah, that is so cute. Looks like an ice cream, like those Balateros ice creams. So what do you guys think? Which one should win this round? You got 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Of course.
7 minus 3. Oh, is this yours, Rodrigo? So 4, 4, 1. We live in a society if this wins. Alright, congratulations, 4, you won by default. Thank you, that very cool. Let's do our second drawing. Alright, which anime character do you guys want to draw? Attack on Titan?
Krista?
I'll draw Krista. Ah! So you guys can draw your favorite anime character. Go for it. You have until 8:20. You got 8:20. Shoot, what anime character should I draw? I think I'm gonna just wing it. I don't think I'll need a reference. I'm probably gonna regret those words. Did I tell you that I can't draw? I'm really glad you guys are actually here. This is really fun. Hashtag I'm having so much fun. It kind of looks like Donkey Kong. It's kind of semi-close. No! There you go. This is mine.
Wow, that just looks good.
It's something. I don't care. Alright then, this is the Colossal Titan from Attack on Titan. Spot on. You guys want to hire me for an animator? I'm him. No, I'm kidding. Hell no. Ready to feel uncomfortable.
このジョルノ・ジョバーナには夢がある。
Is that Chewie? No! Did you do that?
何？
No, is that
My bird looks like a nugget. Who drew this? Gio? Wow, that's good. Is that yours? Oh! That's so cute! I like that. 10 out of 10. That's not even anime. That's like some. That's cute. I like this.
It's bodybuilder!
Oh yeah!
School of Rock. Look up.
School of Rock. Oh, I know the Bill guy. Oh wow, Connor drew this. That's cute. I like this one. This one's cute too. Andre. Is this yours, Andre? What's with the Farmer Johnson's 19? Did you send us to Dad? Be like, hey, buy this one. Oh, this is Rodrigo's, isn't it? Is it Rodrigo's?
That is so cute.
Raju really likes Appa. I'm Boku, the original character and the coolest Saiyan alive, and I can shoot guns out of my nipples when unarmed. Likes with domination, world domination. Capri Sun, Sonic Adventure 2. Dislike Hello Kitty, PewDiePie, James from 4th grade. You suck. Damn. That's oh.
That's good. Is that Liz?
Who's that?
It's Liz? Wow. Ah,
I can tell. This is really good.
Oh, that's Kingdom Hearts. I know that for a fact. Who's that? Fairy Tail. There you go. I think it is Fairy Tail. Good job. This is cute. I like the anime one. Which one's your favorite? I like this one. This one's cute too. I like this one. How can I delete this one? All I see is pain. God is dead. Please.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
Yeah, 3-1. Congrats, Andre, number 3. Yay! Superheroes after that, Minecraft monsters. It can be Batman, Superman, DC, Marvel, anyone. Hey, Chugnators. Hey, at least chill, bird. Bio? Thought so. Wanna say hi to the camera? Alright, I'm not running the street anymore. My bird is. Have fun, birdie. Chompies, you better not bite that because I might have to pay $800. And you know, Daddy can't afford that right now because I can't afford food for you. No kidding. I'm out of the womb. Ah, no! You sack of monkey garbage! No! She ripped it! No! Now I'm pissed. This is $20, Chugnators. Now it's gonna come out of my pocket. Chugnators! Okay, I guess there's one way for you to get distracted, but now I have to pay for it.
God, perfect.
Every time I hear that say, oh my god, I'm literally shaking. You know, Spider-Man was one of my favorite superheroes as a kid. The times when I was happy.
But you were crying.
Nat, I'd rather be crying right now than
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yep.
Coach, no. Alright then, class is now ending. Let's go check our results. Whoa! Holy, that's Groot. Is that baby Groot? Geo, right? Geo drew this? Wow, that's really good.
Good.
Good job, buddy. Ah, is that you?
Yeah.
Deadpool! That's so cute!
What
Whose
is
superhero is that? Is this Connor or is this Jessica?
What is
Oh,
that?
that's Hawaii.
This is Kawaii? Wait, who is this? Oh, Pabu from Korra. This is from Legend of Korra. Rodrigo. I thought so! Ah, Darkwing Duck, of course. 90s superhero, yep, that's cute. Fat Thor, wow. That feet though.
Ooh. Batman?
Is this Batman? That's, of course, that's Andre. Good evening, my lady. It is I, Gregory. I'm here to pick you up to go on a magnificent date. Never mind, that's God. Oh, this is Greg. Look, he spent too much detail on this. Nice, look at that arm. Yeah, it's Spawn, I knew it. And then there's my Spider-Man. Oh, wrong one. That's not Spider-Man. And then there's Spider-Man. So we got one Fat Thor. Whatever Greg was. Can I get number 4 extra large with no mustard and extra cheese? Yeah, dog. So Greg, this one won. Are you kidding me?
Hey, thank you.
I didn't even do anything.
I say this one. I like this one.
Yeah.
That one's so cute.
You guys are just sore losers.
No, it's not that we're so. It's magnificent. Thank you. All right, gamers. That was good. Good round. So now it's time for Minecraft. You know what that means, right, guys? Minecraft. Creeper. Oh man. I don't know who to draw. I should draw a ghast. Oh, I'm so into like the music. The music is making me so relaxed. I'm just telling me like keep on talking. I'm just like, dude, I'm in the zone with Minecraft music. Whoa!
Greg, that's
Oh, that's so cute, Steve. The creeper, furry chewy. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Creeper. All right, I'll take it.
so
That's cute. Whoa, is that yours? I was like, whoa, that detail, but I just.
so cute and the face.
Whoa. Oh, why is it sad? Build house at night game. Allow us to introduce ourselves.
Oh.
Everyone's drawing creepers. Oh, it's the bee. Oh my goodness. This is Gio's. I know that's Gio's because he has this now.
Cute.
Is that yours? Enderman. Aww.
So cute.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one's your favorite? Bees are scary. Yeah, but they're not monsters. But I still give you credit. It's a Minecraft character, so I accept it. Good job, guys. I like them. But the winner is this one. Good job, Greg. Yeah. Yeah. How is this mouth? Oh my goodness. Is that Tommy from the Rugrats? Yeah. Isn't it obvious? There you go. It's Yakko from the Animaniacs. Aww.
I will spill your content.
I can deny it no longer. That's so cute. Whoa! That is really good. That's courage. You're fired, bro. Stop! Oh, that's Helga. Oh my god. God damn it. That's Gio. She's scared. Stupid Auntie, I swear to God. Bart? They thought it was from the. Is that Bart? Aw, is that you? Oh, it's so cute. It's good.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh! I didn't know Will from Foster's Home was from 1999. Wow!
Color and everything. Is that kawaii?
Yeah, because of her signature. Can y'all stop being good?
So good. What the heck?
Dude, that is so good. Oh, is that Ren and Stimpy? God, I hate that show. Wow, this was a good one. Man, these are all good. Good job, guys. Who voted for 4? I don't know, man. I think this is art. Yeah, this one won. Good job. This one got the most votes. I guess that's how we're gonna end it. All right. Can we watch porn now? I don't know, maybe. If you're down. But yeah, that's about it. Once again, thank you for joining. Thank you for drawing. Thank you for showing me your art. Thank you for laughing. That's all. See you on Friday, hopefully. Bye-bye.